Welcome to our video on fire safety tips, where we'll help you protect your home and loved ones from the dangers of fire. In this video, we'll cover essential fire safety tips. 1. Smoke alarms. 2. Escape plan. 3. Fire extinguishers. 4. Kitchen safety. 5. Electrical safety. Smoke alarms are vital. Install them in every bedroom and on every floor. Test them monthly, and replace batteries annually. Create a fire escape plan with 2 ways out of every room. Practice it with your family and designate a meeting point outside. Keep fire extinguishers in the kitchen and garage. Learn how to use them: pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. In the kitchen, never leave cooking unattended. Keep flammable items away from the stove and turn pot handles inward. Prevent electrical fires by avoiding overloaded outlets, replacing damaged cords, and hiring professionals for electrical work. By following these fire safety tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of a home fire. Remember, safety is a family effort. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.